Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We're looking great. We got Gen G first in the chat. Mr. or Dr. Manhattan second in the chat. Shane, bro, Gen G, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. Bitcoin looking good at the top left-hand side of the screen. Well, you know what? Let's look at AMC first. AMC, you guys can't see it, but it's sitting 0.23% lower. GameStop, 29.56 right now, up 2% on the day today. This little kitty's wanting a lot of love. Today is going to be another allergy day. Shiba Inu Coin, top right-hand side of the screen. You guys can't see it. Sitting at 28.95 right now. Bitcoin, 101,500. $101,500 on Bitcoin, looking very good. Breaking back up above that 100,000 mark. Testing 102,000. Gonna break that. Gonna move nicely higher today. NASDAQ down just slightly, 0.23% lower on the day today. You got Solana, $232. Dogecoin, 41 cents. Shiba Inu Coin, 28.94. You've got Ethereum sitting at 39.41. Bitcoin, $101,580. The SPY down 0.16%. You got the QQQ, 528. Mullen Auto sitting at $1.80, up just slightly, but that's still pretty low. Sundial, $1.90. You've got Netflix sitting at $927.54. MPW, $3.99. $4.23 on Tesla, man. Tesla looking very good. Amazon sitting at $230 and Apple $248 per share. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the top left-hand side of the screen. Jump back in the chat, see what we got going on. You guys are all quiet. You're laying there. My goodness, so much money is being made right now. You guys got to wake up. We got Pudgy first in the chat. Maybe Pudgy first to wake up in the chat. Chris, here, buddy, if you get a minute, can you put the symmetrical triangle on Bitcoin 4-hour chart? Yeah, we could try. Let's see what we got here. Bitcoin, we got a 4-hour chart. Yeah. Over what time frame are we looking at here? Over what time frame do you like? Because we do have a nice... no, not vertical. We do have a nice trend line being formed right here. And of course, we do have some horizontal resistance up in this area right here. So that might lead us to some sort of a symmetrical ascending triangle like this, with the horizontal resistance around 100,000. And this ascension here. Or you can go much shorter time frame, right? Just over the last couple of days. This nice little, last couple of days here. Nice little bounce right here, of course, to its horizontal resistance up there. So not exactly sure which one you're looking at, but we do have some beautiful, no, not all of them, just this one. We do have some very nice trend lines being formed on the 4-hour chart. I'm sure you can see it on the daily chart as well. You can see it on the daily chart here with this nice gain. Bitcoin broke out of that channel that was in. Boom, starting kind of a new channel right here. Very similar to the one that we were in when we broke out to move up to $100,000 there. So hopefully Bitcoin breaks out of this one as well. Boom, and moves higher, ripping up 150, 200,000, $500 million per coin. I meant 500,000 to $1 million. Pudgy, you're number one. Pudgy's number one. You're number one. Pudgy's number one. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you, dude. Let's see. What's up with the pfft, 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 pfft. Michael Allen loves to pfft all over. New alias, huh? Me? No? Hey, bro, first time chatting here, but I have good words about your work. I'm under heavy consideration of developing a coin. I would like to everyone possible to join my team. Dr. Manhattan, do it, man. Clay Bro, Celebrity Insider, what's going on? What's going on? That's what I thought. Pudgy, it is what you thought, man. You are number one. That's what I thought, too. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what I was going to say. Guys, I know you've been watching my videos, right? Because you guys are awesome. So you definitely been watching the videos. Pepe Unchained, okay? Pepe Unchained is up like 8-9x right now. It is absolutely ridiculous what Pepe Unchained is doing. Sitting here at 7 cents this morning, touching 6.3 cents right now. A beautiful ascending trend line on Pepe Unchained. But here's what I think, man. Two things are happening. People see how well Pepe Unchained did, and they're jumping into the other Pepe token, Wall Street Pepe. Some people shaving some profits from Pepe Unchained and moving them over into Wall Street Pepe. Where's it at? Wall Street Pepe did $4 million in the last 24 hours. Guys, it might do $5 million. It was when I was recording my videos yesterday. So yesterday afternoon, $4.6 million they had sold. They're closing in on $4 million in a 24-hour period. And they might even pass that and hit 5. That is insane. Pepe Unchained, in its early stages, like you're seeing here for Wall Street Pepe, Pepe Unchained was doing about $250,000 consistently. In its late stages, the couple days before it sold out, it was doing $2 million a day in pre-sale. And that was phenomenal demand. So people see what happened during this launch, and they understand that they can go out there 5-6x their money, or could have 5-6x their money in Pepe Unchained. They're going out now, and they're buying Wall Street Pepe. Some people, they made a lot of money. They've got a lot of money now. They're shaving some of it so that, of course, it doesn't come back down. And people will be unstaking in the next couple of days, so please remember that. They might be selling. But if it comes back down a little bit, they're already diversifying into Wall Street Pepe here. Pepe Unchained never did $4 million a day in pre-sale activity. Wall Street Pepe is doing that in its first couple stages. This one could be sold out by the end of December. It was slated to go all 50 stages. We're slated to go until April. There's no way that it makes it until April. There's no way that it makes it until April. These guys are selling so much, it's insane. And the price is they have to increase the price. This is actually a very large increase in the price. The price was 0.002. So they have to increase the price. They're trying to deter some people from jumping in. Oh gosh, dude. They're trying to deter some people from jumping in. So that's excellent for me, man, because now what I bought I'm already almost doubled on. I just saw that the price increased like that. So they're trying to slow it down a little bit because it's selling out way too fast and they're still buying in. So guys, if they continue on with demand like this, they're going to have to increase the price again or they're going to run out of tokens. So please understand that. Check it out. Pay attention to it. We cannot, guys. I don't want to sit on the sidelines. Maybe Wall Street Pepe doesn't do as well as Pepe Unchained. I don't know. But we can't sit on the sidelines and let this stuff pass us by. Not another bull market. We're here to make it. We're going to make so much money. It's ridiculous, man. I'm still holding strong on Pepe Unchained. Nice. Celebrity Insider. If you do, right, I have already shaved a lot of my Pepe Unchained. I'm just going to say it, right? And I'm moving over more into Wall Street Pepe. So you guys do not have to do that, right? Do whatever you think is best for you. But I'm moving more over in because it's already surpassing anything that Pepe Unchained did in the pre-sale stages. So because of that, I'm even more excited about Wall Street Pepe than I am Pepe Unchained. Pepe Unchained's phenomenal. Let's see. Big leverage line. I want a 2 on Bitcoin. If it can bust through, very little resistance above that right now. I love it, Lonnie. I love it. And I think that it can break it, man. I think that it can break it. It's attempting it, I don't know, like 6 times this morning on the 15-minute chart there. Yeah, I got it open. This one. Let's just click here. This one. Bitcoin. Yeah, 15-minute chart, dude. Testing, trying. So I do think that it can break. Still very strong in price action right here. A little rejection off like 1023. Pullback, but still gearing up, still trying to move higher. Very optimistic about Bitcoin breaking that level today. And moving up, potentially hitting new all-time highs. Guys, This is what a bull market feels like. Okay, so let me tell you, this does not last forever. People are excited right now. They're buying Bitcoin. They're starting to buy these little meme coins like crazy now. $4 million into Wall Street Pepe. Things are looking very, very good. We got to take advantage of it. Well, what is it? You got to get the good while it getting's good or something. What is that saying? I don't even know what the saying is, but we got to get it while it's good, man. And right now, it is very good. We got to take as much money out of this bull market as we possibly can. So pay attention to it. Let's make some moves. Let's make some money. Let's see. It's too bad Wienerdog AI took a huge hit. Thank goodness I got my money. Yeah, so Jeremiah, man, what I think the difference is there, Wienerdog AI didn't do terrible. Base Dogs and Play Doge were I think, the two worst ones for me. Wienerdog AI actually had a very nice bounce there that one day when it was up like 400-500%. So that one wasn't that bad. I did not like Play Doge and Wienerdog AI. I'm still down on those, still holding everything. Maybe they'll bounce back in this bull market. But huge difference in the market that we're launching into right now and the market that we launched into 3-4 months ago. Huge difference, man. Right now, people are pretty strong with their excitement and their euphoria. Turbo. Yeah, Turbo looking good. We can pull Turbo up. Put 1.5 into Peppo. Nice. Celebrity Insider. Very good, man. Let's see. Can we just get ETH to break 4,100? That should say... Yeah, old rounder, bro. I agree. If Ethereum busts up above 4,000, I mean, my number's right around 4,000, so 41, I agree with you. If it breaks that and it goes for all-time highs again, $4,800, $5,000, I think Ethereum tokens are going to run as well. My biggest holder on Ethereum meme coins right now is Catslap. So Catslap is literally up 5x from the launch, so I'm doing very well on it. And then, of course, my two Solana tokens that are in the lead right now are Mother and Daddy. So I do want Solana to bust an all-time high and Ethereum to bust an all-time high, so those tokens rip up. But dude, we start to make some moves, moving some over from Pepe Unchained into Wall Street Pepe. I don't know, man. If Wall Street Pepe rips up, it could be my #1 Ethereum token. Can't get Pudgy. Somebody else. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu dad or whatever his name is on X was saying the same thing. He said, and I have to go through and read through what he was saying on X now. I didn't read his last comment. I was recording a video this morning. But he said when he connects his wallet, it doesn't even show a balance. He says it is the correct wallet that is connected, but his doesn't even show a balance. What does yours say, or what does yours do when you click on it? I'm wondering if it's the same exact thing that his is doing. I'm also wondering if somehow they were, airdropped instead of necessarily claimed. And I don't know if you feel comfortable sharing your wallet address, but I also want to show you that you can do this as well. So before we... this one here. So I can just show you with Turbo. Right, it's the same thing as Pepe Unchained. So Turbo down 9% on the day today, pulling back just a little bit. Let's see. We want a daily chart for Turbo though. Sitting in an $850 million market cap, not bad. We got to break the $1 billion market cap. Very strong price action on Turbo here. You can clearly see these higher highs that have been hit after breaking out of this beautiful wedge. Higher highs. Yeah, I don't like this sticky graph, but whatever. We'll deal with it. Long. Not what I wanted. All right. Higher highs. Also, very long-term higher lows as well. And you can see a beautiful ascending channel that Turbo is in. Now, I don't know if Turbo falls back down to this line or not. Okay, please be aware that that is a possibility. but this is still a very strong growth channel that Turbo is in right here. So I do want to show you for Pudgy and for anybody else. I don't know if they did some sort of an airdrop or not. So let's see if Pudgy says that he's got a balance. Okay, he just says that he can't claim. Let's see. Yeah, Wepe is on Ethereum as well. Night Vision. Let's see. This one. Let's go hourly chart. Alright. You ask what other tokens. I'm extremely excited about Wall Street Pepe, or Wepe. I own Crypto All Stars. That one's starting to heat up as well. Looking very good. I mean, not as excited about Flockers, I'm not going to lie, but I still am very excited about Flockers because it's pre-sale season. It's just been selling a little bit less than some of the other tokens. Second most excited, though, about Cashapp. Cashapp is already trading. It's at a decent level of support right now. If you look at the daily chart, this ½ cent mark, support here, support here. So we do have a little bit of a descending bull flag, or a descending channel, a bull flag pattern that hit up on the screen right here, as you guys can see in Cashapp. And if it breaks back out to the upside on this, it could go and surge to the next level higher, because very similarly on launch, you had your bull flag pattern down here as well. Bull flag ripped up. Bull flag, I'm hoping, rips up. Stair stepping its way. Now, you also have links for this. You can go buy it on Uniswap if you want. But if you want to buy it on their website, you have a link in the description of all of my Cashapp videos to buy it securely on their website right here. So make sure to check that out. They have a huge announcement in the next 6 days. I'm already in. I probably won't be buying more unless there's a huge dip or something. But yeah, I would probably buy in before they announce that. I don't know if it's going to be a huge burn. I don't know if it's tier 1 listings. I don't know exactly what they're announcing there. But let me show you for Pudgy and anybody else. Now, like I say, I don't know if they did some sort of an airdrop to make sure everybody claimed their tokens or what. But Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Dad, or whatever his name is, had some trouble claiming. Pudgy seems to be having some trouble claiming. I am under the assumption that it's the correct website. You guys use my link, all of that stuff. So it shouldn't be an issue there. Now, I'm also under the assumption that you guys, know how to connect your wallets, and the issue is not a user-based issue. So go out and copy your wallet address. So all you got to do is copy your wallet address. You take your Ethereum address, click receive, click copy, and then you're going to come out to Etherscan. You can either do that by clicking the little button on Dex Tools and pulling up a token like Pepe Unchained. You can go to etherscan.io. You can Google Etherscan. Whatever you want to do there. It's going to pull up this website. Now, you got one of two things that you can do. You can literally scroll through the holders if you know how much you should have. You can scroll through all the holders. But you can paste your wallet address, right? So let's say that that's your wallet address. If you come out and paste it, now this obviously isn't yours. This is whoever this guy is. But it's going to pull up your wallet, and it's going to show you everything in your wallet. Now, you can do one of two things, right? You can scroll here, and this guy only has Pepe Unchained in his wallet. He's got 4,460,872. You can see his multi-chain portfolio here. He's got a little bit of Ethereum, and it's probably not showing. His Pepe Unchained under his multi-chain portfolio because it's not an official token or something yet. So look at it here, right? He does own ERC20, Pepe Unchained, or Pepu. If it shows up in your wallet here on Etherscan, it is definitely in your wallet. It is claimed. You have it. There's no worries. All you're going to have to do in that case is copy the contract address. You can either get that, I believe, on their website. Let's see if they got it. I don't know where their website is. If it's on their website here. Well, you can click the link in my video to come out to the website, and then click on Dex Tools, and it'll pull you up to the correct Dex Tools page. And then you can at least copy the contract address there. Then you go into your Trust wallet, your MetaMask, your Coinbase wallet, whatever it is, and you click the little button in the top right, like the little plus sign or something, manage tokens, add tokens, whatever it is. And then you click the button that says add new token or import new token, paste that contract address. It's going to fill in the blanks for the rest of it. It's going to show you Pepe or Pepe Unchained or Pepu token, whatever it says. And then you're going to click import. Now, when you click import, then it should match up. It should show you that, yeah, you do have 4.4 million Pepe Unchained in your wallet. So try and troubleshoot that. If that's not the problem, we can go from there. But because the other guy had a problem, I changed wallets and got that fixed. But I purchased with Ethereum, but gas, that was the end of the road, took the money, and that was the last thing. Okay, I changed wallets and got that fixed. Okay. But I purchased with Ethereum. Okay, so what happened then, Pudgy? Did the gas fees basically ate up all the token? Is that what it was, or what? Shout out to Claybro. Amazon created a disseminate SHIB circulating supply. Will Major, what's going on, man? Glad to have you in here. Let's see here. How much Pepe I need? Elijah, what's good, my friend? How much Pepe do you need? Well, the question is, what are your goals? You got to start there, man. You got to start there. So whether you're looking at Wall Street Pepe, Pepe Unchained, whether you're looking at actual Pepe, the question becomes, what are your goals? And my goals are not your goals. We're not the same. My risk tolerance is not your risk tolerance. We're not the same. So I'm going to have a different answer than what you have there, which is why it's always so difficult for me to answer anybody that says, how much should I buy? I don't know if you're trying to make $1,000. I don't know if you're trying to make 100,000. I don't know if you're trying to make 1 million. I don't know if you can sleep at night knowing that Pepe or Pepe Unchained can be up or down 20-30%, or if you've got much less of a risk tolerance than some other people. So it is 100% personal, man. It's 100% personal to retire forever. You know what? Answer that question for me, because that's my goal as well, right? To retire forever. But I often think about that, and retiring forever, honestly, at least as of right now, just means continuing to do what I am doing. So when I think about it that way, I'm already living my retirement, man. I don't want to just like wake up and start playing Pokemon Unite with my nephew and then play for 12, 13 hours a day. I feel very productive. I feel accomplished when I make these videos. I enjoy being able to, hang out with you guys and talk to you guys and do all of that. So I'm already doing essentially what I would be doing. Clearly, I want to make some more money. It's not just I want that generational wealth, right? Like I think we all do, but it's not really going to change anything that I'm currently doing. So I'm in a very blessed position, and I honestly have nobody to thank except you guys for that, and the support that you guys have by even showing up, clicking the like buttons, looking at these tokens, watching the videos, being nice, all of that stuff. So, but what's that number for you guys, right? What's that ultimate enough to retire on? Let's see. I did cheap purchase as you were talking, and trailed it from the website through Etherscan, and that one went through. Okay. So Pudgy, did the other one not go through then? Because obviously you know what you're doing. If you're tracking it through Etherscan, you know exactly how to work a blockchain, man. You know exactly how to work a blockchain. So I don't have to. That's at least good. So I'm thinking it might not be user error there. Question is now, right? Maybe go through some of your past transactions and see if the first one even hit. You know what I mean? Like, see if that first one even hit there. Because obviously you know what you're looking at when it comes to looking at Etherscan if you tracked that one. Let's see. What's up, Claire, bro? I'm telling you, $5 Pepu. Hey, Super Basil, man. I don't know about holding off for $5. Another 100x increase from here. That's going to take it to $50 billion market cap. Shiba Inu coin all-time highs. But, dude, if you hit a $5, I have already shaved some of my Pepu, man. I am not waiting for $5. I'm moving some of it over into Wall Street Pepe already. But dude, if you hit $5 Pepu, just remember your friend Clay Bro. All right, remember your friend Clay Bro. I couldn't hold it that long, so. Don't leave me behind, man. If you make it to $5 Pepu, I will probably. I can't hold my cat slap to $5 Pepu either, or $5 cat slap. But dude, maybe my cat slap will go to $5 and we can be friends together. You get that $5 Pepu, I get the $5 slap. Let's see. Don't get emotional. Joseph is right. Keep the emotion out of it. Stay excited, but also be very logical. I can get $200,000 and live on that for the rest of my life. Jeremiah. Very nice, man. Now, I don't know what you have invested, but that doesn't seem impossible to me, man. It truly does not seem impossible to me. If you just string together 2 or 3 winners, like Pepe Unchained, that's like, think about it, man. If you string together 2 or 3 winners like Pepe Unchained, $1,000 would turn into 200 grand. It's crazy. You would take the 1,000, you would essentially 10x on it. Now, it's a much bigger risk, but let's say you move that 10,000 then into Wall Street Pepe, and it 10x. Well, dude, I mean, you could easily sell that too. You could clip that in one shot. I've seen guys do it on Pepe Unchained. You could easily clip that $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. Won't even drop the price. And then all you gotta do, man, if you want to risk it all on one, diversify it more, just go into Bitcoin at that point. This is the opportunity. So I do hope that all of you guys get that opportunity. And I do hope that all of you guys are able to make whatever the number is, right? 4.3 million, obviously a lot more than 200,000. But, I mean, doable in a bull market. You hear stories all the time, and it's not just getting lucky. It's essentially taking the risk. Somebody's got a quote, right? It talks about luck just being a multiple of the risk you're willing to take. There's a direct correlation between the amount of risk and how lucky you are. You have to take the risks if you want to be perceived as lucky. Clearly, if you're not willing to take the risk, you'll never reap the reward. So, be responsible, do it. But, dude, I hope that every single one of you guys hits that goal, man. Let's see, 200,000, 40% interest, that's $80K a year. Heck yeah, man. As long as I turn a profit, it's good. But the more is better, absolutely. I'm going to hold to 35. Super Basil, man. I can't tell if you're playing me or not, dude. I can't tell if you're playing me or not. $35 Pepu, huh? You might be here a while for $35 Pepu, but definitely remember me if it goes to $35 Pepu. Let's see. The one I just made, and the Wepe I made yesterday went through, but I gotta backtrack the Pepu one from yesterday. Yeah, do it then, Pudgy. Do it. That'll make me feel a little bit better too. And I don't know if that's the exact same situation that Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu dad on X was saying that he had. But then again, he's not in here right now, so I don't know how to really explain to him. And I don't want your guys' wallet addresses. I don't want to know how much money you guys have. I don't want to pull that up in front of everybody on a live stream, which is why I use a random wallet address in there to show you guys how to do it. I know you got computers. I know you got your phone. So, I hope that it works out for him too. Sitting on 75K already from the Basil. Yes, man. Yes. Super Basil. Let me say this, right? If you want to diversify some into Wall Street Pepe, you probably have watched the videos. It's actually doing better than Pepe Unchained did. This is insanity right now. Guys, just since the start of the live stream, they've already made $300,000 here. I mean, this is nuts what they're doing right now. This is faster. Can you guys see it? Nah, barely. They're raising faster right now than Pepe Unchained did at its end stages. I actually want to go in and buy some right now. I don't necessarily want to show you guys mine. Is it going to hit that next stage before the live's over? What's the next price increase? 9.2? Nah, it's not going to raise $1 million in the next 20 minutes. All right, I'm going to go in and buy some more of this. The price is already up drastically from where I got in, and I believe they're raising the price of the token so that they can start selling a little slower so that, you know, they're selling less tokens. The demand is insane. $4 million in less than 24 hours. Okay. Oh, jeez, I don't know what the cats are doing. But this one's raising faster than Pepe Unchained did in its final stages. So people are seeing what these pre-sales are doing. I'm jumping in, man. We're here to make a ton of money. And I'm going to buy some more of that. But $75,000 is a lot of money, man. Ride it is high. I hope you turn that into $750,000. I really do. So completely up to you. If you want to diversify, if you're riding it all, if you're dead serious, going $5 Pepe Unchained. But yeah, man, let's make as much money as possible in this bull market, dude. Let's see, old rounder. I have a 10x Bitcoin long from 95,000. Hope it's going. I have my profit at 133. Nice, old rounder, man. That is fantastic. And dude, I hope that it does hit. I don't know how much money you put in. You don't have to tell us how much money you put in. But dude, I hope you walk away with a ridiculously huge profit. I was actually looking at some leverage. I haven't sat down and really done the math on it. But historically speaking, and leverage trades are dangerous. So if any of you guys want to sit down and do the math on it today with Bitcoin, there has to be a way to open leverage positions on Bitcoin. And historically speaking, Bitcoin has never retraced down below the low that it hit during an election week. So if you go back to 2016, I forget what it was at, 2020, it dropped back down to, I don't know, 3,000 or something, 5,000. Never hit that low again. In 2024 then, the low that it hit was 68,000 the week of the election. So if it follows the same pattern, Bitcoin should never drop down below $68,000. If that's the case, you could open up a 3x leverage position right now on Bitcoin and never get margin called. As it drops down a little bit, if it does drop back down to 90,000 or 80,000, you should theoretically be able to open up a 5x leverage position and never have Bitcoin bust your margin or liquidate you. There should be price points where you can dollar cost average into Bitcoin right now based on historical performance, and you can do so at a leveraged rate and never worry about a margin call. Clearly, past performance is not a guarantee of future performance. But that is something interesting to look at there. Let's see. PSA, Fartcoin's market cap is now greater than 38% of all American publicly traded companies. Oh, God. Meme coins are ripping. Meme coins are ripping, JB. See what I did there? That was my pun for the day. Give me my credit score if you want that. Give you my credit score, man. 0. Who cares? Who needs credit? Who needs credit, man? Well, I'm waiting for Doge20 to drop. It already hit 80 million coins, so I'm selling it the first second it drops. Not Jeremiah. Pay attention to it and do it, man. Pay attention to it and do it. I hope you rip a ton of money, man. I have some Dogecoin too, and I staked. Very nice, Joseph. What's utility on Wall Street Pepe? So their entire narrative, right, is that it is essentially, they're putting together like an alpha group of degenerate traders that they're going to go out there and, I don't know, do very similar to like a private Discord or whatever. But your ticket into that alpha group is Wall Street Pepe. So you have to own it in order to see their calls, see their trades, and all of that. So, dude, is that at 8? What does it say? 8 cents, or is that still a 6? Okay, 6.5. That was really small on my screen there, and I thought that said 8. I was like, oh my god, dude, it's still going up. 6.5 is still excellent, though. Let's see. Wepe still in pre-sale. How much put in it? Well, night vision. I'm not going to tell you how much I put in. I did put a decent amount into Wall Street Pepe already. It's already up in the pre-sale stages. They've raised the prices to kind of try and slow down buying. I am going to buy more, though. I am going to buy more. I believe that people are buying in right now because they see the success on the screen of Pepe Unchained. Right now, $4 million that Wall Street Pepe did in the last 24 hours is more than anything that Pepe Unchained did at any point in its pre-sale, even the very last day. And demand was nuts then. I think Wall Street Pepe could be even bigger because people are feeling that FOMO, right? They feel like they missed out on Pepe Unchained. They're jumping into Wall Street Pepe. Some of the guys are shaving some Pepe Unchained and moving over into Wall Street Pepe. So, dude, if you 9x a 9x, you 81x'd. So that's, I'm not gonna tell you the amount, right? But it was a good amount. If it goes up a lot, it will end up being one of my larger positions. With my larger positions right now being Mother Token, Iggy Azalea's mother, Andrew Tate's daddy, and Cat Slap being some of my larger tokens out there. I think over 56,000 holders for Pepu is a really good number. It's only a little over 48 hours after launch. Yeah, Joseph, man. And if it continues, imagine how much that's going to grow once they hit tier 1 listings. All right, if they get Binance, if they get KuCoin, if they get Bybit, if they get all of these large exchanges out there, they can really be on the move, man. Let's see. I think if we may see $200,000 Bitcoin next year, maybe. Yeah, Joseph. I'm setting my sights somewhere between 150 to 200. I don't know if we can make a $250,000. I don't know if we could go 250. I don't know. We would need to see some crazy strength for that to take place. But my sights are between 150 and 200. I would love it. Right, I would love it. I think it's going to lead to a very nice FOMO rally. I think a lot of people are going to make a lot of money. And I want to ask you guys this, right? Night vision, man. 1,000 is definitely enough depending on your goals, dude. I wouldn't do this, right? I would not put $1,000 into a pre-sale unless you're okay with some major volatility, because you will have launch day volatility. You absolutely will have launch day volatility. Some people will take their profit. They always do. They were scared when Pepe Unchained launched as well. I know you saw all the idiots on Reddit and all the idiots in the comments of my videos saying that it's a scam. I had some guy go to claybro.com and ask me why I talk about scams like Pepe Unchained after it launched. Right? Think about that. After it launched. You see, why are you talking about scams like Pepe Unchained? Dude, this is the best scam that's ever been out there. Everybody who participated in this scam is now up 8, 9x. So, like, I truly don't understand what some of these people, I truly don't understand what goes on in some of their minds, dude. If this is a scam, this is the best scam that I have that I've ever seen, man. This is better than those scams where they got Elon Musk and Michael Saylor talking on the screen, and they're like, send us 10 million Shiba Inu coin, and we'll send you back 20 million Shiba Inu coin. Dude, they're only going to double your money. You 10x'd on this one right here in 2 days. So, yeah, man, this is the best scam I've ever seen for everybody that's still in it right now. My gosh. What's the website for Wall Street Pepe? Please use the link in my description. So if I tell you, like, I actually don't know if it's like .io or .com or whatever. So please use the link in the description of my Wall Street Pepe videos. I can't paste it in here because you can't even copy it since you're on YouTube vertical view. It doesn't let you copy text from vertical view, and it doesn't hyperlink it if I post it in there. But if you Google Wall Street Pepe, I've already seen some sponsored links that could very well be scams. And if you simply go out there and risk clicking on the wrong one, dude, I feel so bad when people do it, even if it's like negligence or whatever. I hate criminals so bad, right? I hate thieves so bad. I've been stolen from so many times that I have. The criminal could get hit by a train. The thief could get hit by a train on the way home. I don't even think that I'd think twice about it. But just use the link in my description, man. It's an affiliate link that comes like directly from the marketing company that works with these tokens. It's going to pull you up to the legitimate website. You can easily connect your wallet. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. I've already connected my wallet. I've already bought into Wall Street Pepe. So if that is something you guys want to do, please just use that link. Let's see. Did you say 150 to 200? Yes, Chris. My sights on Bitcoin would be 150 to 200 during this bull market. I would be very happy if it hit those levels, and I'm simply basing that on the fact that prices are starting to saturate, so it's a lot more difficult to rise in price. The previous bull market saw Bitcoin roughly 3x, which took it from 20,000 to 69,000. So roughly a 3x from that 69 takes you between 150 to 200. 150 a little on the lower end because you need a lot more money. We're talking about, trillions of dollars in market cap now. But institutions are now involved, right? We don't even really have any retail FOMO driving Bitcoin up at the moment. It's a lot of institutional buys. So we got a lot more money in the game now, and it is possible to watch these prices drive up. So that's how I derive that price. It's not just me guessing or hoping or whatever. It's looking at the past performance, understanding that we have more money in now from institutions, trying to maintain a relative trend to the upside and so on. There's some dudes online that say everything is a scam. They're just haters. Yeah, Joseph, they really do say everything is a scam. I will say this, okay? Everything is a risk. I've made a lot of money and I've lost a lot of money. I've had some winners and I've had some losers. Everything is a risk. Nothing is guaranteed. Dude, if Wall Street Pepe was guaranteed to do exactly what Pepe Unchained was doing right now, and I mean truly guaranteed, I would put every single dime that I have into it. I would take out an equity line on this house. I would go, beg my family and my friends to go put every single dime that they have into it. And I wouldn't feel bad at all because it was guaranteed to do exactly this and guaranteed to 10x my money in a 2-day period. If that was the case, we would all be retired next month when Wall Street Pepe Unchained, or when Wall Street Pepe launches, or whenever the launch day would be. However, nothing is guaranteed. Everything is a risk. So therefore, I unfortunately can't go out and invest every single dime that I have into Wall Street Pepe. I can't go out and beg my family and friends to put every single dime they have into it. I can simply present to them the opportunity. If they understand the risk, then they can get in. And we're all adults, right? We can all make these decisions for ourselves. But yeah, man, could you imagine going out? Some of these whales that go in like $140,000 buy. Dude, think about those guys. Some of these guys went in with $140,000 buys on Pepe Unchained, and they're up 9-10x right now. Dude, those guys made well over $1 million in 2 days after launch. I'm hoping that's what happens with Wall Street Pepe as well. Let's see. XRP thoughts. Christopher, I like Ripple as a company. I don't think that XRP is going to $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a coin, but I absolutely think that XRP can continue to move higher from here and could, being a legitimate company that's out there doing business, they could have $1 trillion valuation or more one day. You know what? I'm a rookie in crypto, but I have a strong conviction for Pepo. I don't know why I feel something about it. Yeah, super basil, man. That is completely fine. I will say this, though. I don't know where that emotional attachment is coming from. So only you can determine that. Maybe it's your biggest winner. Maybe it's one of your first major winners. Okay? Maybe you truly believe that it's building out a layer 2 blockchain and it's going to revolutionize the meme coin space or whatever. But definitely dive into that thought as to why you think that it's that way. If you truly believe it could be a viral sensation, maybe you're completely good and justified in holding. But if it's some sort of an emotional win, because this is your first big winner, or this is your biggest winner, or you know, you just really like the artwork or something, I don't know. Let's not be driven by emotions. Right? $75,000 is a lot of money. You need to make sure that you protect that money. Yes, grow it, but definitely protect it. XRP will place paper currency. I think that all digital currency will place it one day. Dude, Pudgy, and that's crazy because in yesterday's live stream or the live stream before, I forget which one it was, I went in there and I deleted it. So I deleted it in Streamlabs, even though it only gives me like 2 lines of description. And I deleted it before I even went live. So I deleted it both in the previous live and I deleted it in the description that loads up in Streamlabs before I even went live. So Streamlabs must have a deal with Voyager or something, because I deleted it in both places. That's ridiculous. I don't even know if you can click on it anymore, though, if it pulls up anything. Do it. Take the equity. 100,000. Oh, my God. This guy's crazy. Super Basil, man. I don't know. Most Zep. Everything is a risk, but like the old song, you got to know when to hold them and you got to know when to fold them, when to walk away and when to run. Try to use logic as much. Yes, Joseph, 100% correct, man. And you know, it makes me feel a little bit better talking to people who actually understand it. When people leave comments on my videos and just say everything's a scam, I don't know if they're all there. I just think that they're kind of upset. Maybe that they missed out on it or something. I don't know. You do well, Pep. Yeah, so J-Lo. I don't have all my Pepu anymore, so I'm not doing as well as I could have. I shaved some already, so I would have been doing a lot better if I didn't sell any. But, dude, I made some money, and here we are. I'm moving over into Street Pepe and hope to make some money there as well. So I didn't diamond hand everything like Super Basil's doing, but that's okay, man. That's okay. I don't know. I didn't need to make $1 million on Pepe Unchained. So we'll make it. We'll continue making. Hey, remember when I loaded XRP at 56 cents? Yeah, Giovanni, you still holding? You selling? What are you doing, man? Because I know you're picking some major winners out there, dude. You're picking some major winners. Pepe was trending number 1, so it's definitely hot right now. Very, very. It is very hot. You are right on that. Let's see. Is it trending number 1 on Dex Screener? Because I don't even know if it's trending on Dex Tools right now. I don't see the little line. The little number. That's Pepe trending number 1 right here. If you're looking at Dex Tools. That's not even Pepe. Or Pepe Unchained. I don't even see that it's trending. Might be trending on Dex Screeners or another site, though. Let's see. Ego, where you at? Keeps coming back. Pudgy, what keeps coming back? I might have missed it. K9 Shepherd. Yes. Wepe went up a lot. Yeah, dude, we were looking at that. Street Pepe, the token price went up a lot. And I truly... Golly bum, dude. It's closing in on this 9.2, man. I'm gonna buy more. This is $4.1 million in less than 21 hours, or less than 24 hours, guys. I'm gonna buy some more after this live. I already got a decent amount, but I'm gonna add some more in. Pepe Unchained never even did this demand. I think people are buying in because they see what's happening here, and they expect it to happen here too. And they're probably, since this is so early in the pre-sale, they're going to have to raise this price even more. Smokes, dude. We're going to make so much money. Oh, I'm ready for it. I am ready for it. I am ready. Not on deck screener. Yes, deck screener. Not on deck screener. Yes, deck screener. One of them. Okay. Well, sweet, dude. It's not trending on Dex Tools right now, but if it's trending on Dex Screener, I love it. What's up, baby girl, huh? Yeah. That my good girl? That my good girl? That other cat chasing you, huh? Go get her. I can't read the chat, baby. You're in front of it. I can't read the chat when you're in front of it. There we go. Loaded up on XRP at 56 cents. Should I hold or sell? Thinking of holding until next year. Might go behind. So Giovanni, completely up to you. Here's my strategy. Let me be clear. Right now, I do own a lot of meme coins. Okay, my meme coin side of my portfolio is larger than my. I got a large USDT position as well, but my meme coin positions are outsized compared to my layer ones, like Ethereum, Solana. I got a little Bitcoin and so on. My ultimate goal, okay, is to make a lot of money in meme coins this super cycle. I believe that it will be a super cycle. I am convinced that just the same exact way, and let's use this as an example here, the same exact way that people are looking and watching Pepe Unchained right now, seeing how well it's doing, and thinking, you know what? Pepe Unchained did that way. Let's go buy Wall Street Pepe. And they're actually buying in $4 million in 4.1 million dollars in 24 hours is absolutely insane. So the same way that they're buying in here is the same way that all of these people returning to cryptocurrency are returning to meme coins. Refresh this. Returning to meme coins. So when you see this, and meme coin search volume is ripping higher because the people understood what happened in 2021 and they're ready to take place in 2024, 2025. That's exactly what's happening with Pepe Unchained and people flocking in and just pouring in to Wall Street Pepe right now. And because of that, I would say, like, have an oversized position in meme coins. Ideally, I would like to make a ton of money in these meme coins, and I mean a ton of money. And then ideally, I would like to move them over into a nice USDT position, okay? And on top of the USDT, some major blockchains, Ethereum, Solana, maybe some SUI, Tron Network, and Bitcoin. I would be completely okay holding those in those tokens forever. Just not even worrying about selling them. That's essentially, you know, your 401k, your retirement, whatever. Just not worrying about trading them. I don't like the stress of trading and all of that anyway. So just buying with zero intentions of selling, locking them away, and seeing what they turn out to do over my lifetime. Now the USDT position, I would still want to have a little fun with meme coins and pre-sales, and you know, I do enjoy that stuff. So using that to buy into these littler tokens, have some fun, and so on. But definitely not have it outpace my larger positions and my larger blockchains. That's the ultimate goal for me. Right now, we're in the meme coin mania phase, so I've got to make as much money as possible. I am absolutely not disappearing in this next bear market that will come. I will absolutely be accumulating. So that's another reason I'm keeping a larger USDT position as well, is so that I can accumulate in the next bear market, because it will occur, which is why we've got to take some profits and why we have to benefit off what's happening right now. So with that being said, on the way out, I want to know if you guys are going to be disappearing. If you make enough money to disappear, are you disappearing for the next bear market? Or are we just going to wash, rinse, and repeat the exact same strategy to 10, 20x your money even further? Let me know what your guys' goals are on the way out. I'll be reading them as I do the shout-outs. But dead serious, guys. Pay attention to Wall Street Pepe. You see it on the screen right now. These guys have done over $4.1 million in the last 24 hours. Don't Google them. There's a lot of scams out there. I've already seen them. Just click the link in my description of the videos. It's like Best Crypto, Wall Street Pepe, Claybro or something. And open up the nice secure website if you guys want to get in. I, fortunately or unfortunately, however you looked at it, I did make some money. But I have shaved some of my Pepe Unchained, probably too soon, but moved over into Wall Street Pepe, and I'm going to be moving a little bit more over into Wall Street Pepe because these guys are doing absolutely phenomenal right now. So let's do some shout-outs, guys, and then, of course, we will be back with videos all day long today. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being awesome in the live stream, keeping the chat going, and having a great day today. We're here to make some money, and we're going to make some money, man. Pre-sale FOMO is kicking into high gear, old rounder. It absolutely is. Super Basil, enjoy your day, man. Joseph, have a great one. Night Vision, enjoy it. Chopper68, have a great one. Old Rounder, we got Chopper. Dad Black, see you later. We got K9, Night Vision, Gorilla. We got Giovanni, K9, Old Rounder, Super Basil, Night Vision, have a good one. K9, enjoy your day. Joseph, Chopper, Joseph, New Food, Poo-Too, Pet Poo-Too. Yes, Nufo, have a great day, man. Joseph, all of you guys. I saw JB in here. I saw J Bones in here. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.